What's up, everyone? Today we're going to be checking out Lake Okahumpka. They are planning to put a kind of like a rec center type thing in there. We'll take a look at where I think they're going to be putting it in, what they're going to be doing, and we found a friend along the way. I know several of you mentioned my shoulder surgery. I didn't get it done, so the morning of, if you want to check that video out, I'll post it right here and you can read all about that. Long story short, next go is May 18th, by the way. I guess I can't not mention Aaron Rodgers might not be with the Packers next year. That sucks, but I'm also not too sad about it if all the rumors are true. And without talking too much more, let's get into the Lake Okahumpka area. So this is not actually Lake Okahumpka right here. This is just outside. To the west of it, you can see Megason is that road right there. We're headed south along Megason. But I wanted to show you this little guy, or not so little guy, I guess. He was between about 5 or 6 feet. And I thought that other thing right there was a second one, but it's just a drain pipe. I was thinking about, holy smokes, those are 2 big gators. But yeah, this little guy, we'll call him Al. He's in the retention pond just off of Megason in that cart path. He's about 5 or 6 feet, I believe. I didn't get close enough to measure, but if I had to guess, that's what I would say. So we're going to check out this area down here. This is Lake Okahumpka. They are building a boardwalk out here. They said this area is going to be built quite like Fenny, where they have the boardwalk going out. You can see all the nature trails. But you're going to be able to rent kayaks and canoes, or I don't know about rent, but take out kayaks and canoes on the lake. And it's going to be nature and getting out, and they're going to have a restaurant, a rec center, paddle boarding, and I believe this is where it's going to be. It would make sense. The area north of this, right just south of Brownwood, is going to be commercial space. And I'll show you that in a second. But this area here is where you're going to be able to go out and check out the lake and get out there on the kayaks and paddle around. I'm sure you're super pumped about that with those 5-6 foot alligators in that bad boy. I'm looking forward to seeing if they're going to clean some of this up. This lake has a good park on the northern side. I've done a video on that. And on the eastern side, you have Continental Country Club, which I've also done a video on that. Continental Country Club bumps up right to the eastern side of this lake. And we're going to go over here to the northern side where you can see all of where they're going to put some retail area in, some shopping centers, and probably some more restaurants and things like that. I do think that this area is going to be more retail and entertainment focused. I don't think you're going to see a lot of homes in this area. They are going to have some designer homes, or I'm not sure what the correct term is, but some of the bigger homes right on the lake. Premier or designer, I can't remember which one. But they'll be right on the lake for the views. And you can kind of see what they're starting to do here with the new nature areas, and they want to keep them like Fenny or the places like south I think south of 44 they really changed direction. I mean, they're still packing the houses into certain areas, but you see a lot more walking paths, and nature is incorporated into what they're trying to accomplish. And we just skip forward here. This is going to be the retail area here. This is just over the Brownwood Bridge. So Brownwood is on the northern side there. This is Megason and 44 come together right there, and then you see the square, and all this dirt area is going to be the retail. They're looking for people to lease it out already. There's going to be a lot of access here, so I'm sure it's going to be a pretty booming area. I did notice there's a lot more golf carts on the golf cart path going over the Water Lily Bridge and headed down to and from St. Catherine and those areas. With the connectivity coming together, it opens up quite a bit, and there's a lot of people south of the turnpike that haven't been able to drive their golf carts north yet, so they're really taking advantage of that. This is Megason, of course, and Megason runs all the way down from Brownwood into St. Catherine, Hawkins, and those areas. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Give us a like, subscribe, and as always, we'll see you in the next one.